Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see watch history on TikTok apps. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok account, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. And then in here you just click on the three lights icon at the top. And then in here you just click on the setting and privacy. And after this, in here you just click on the watch history at the bottom. And now in here you can see the watch history on your TikTok account. So it's so pretty simple, right? So that's how to see watch history on TikTok apps and then on your TikTok account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.